Hello. So this is gonna be my next tutorial, this pattern. But I'm bringing you the pattern today to talk about how to read patterns. Now this is funny because I was gonna show you guys a different way to start friendship bracelets with a loop, and I got this all ready with the colors for this. And okay, so got it all ready and realized that it doesn't work for this pattern because I only need one of each string. So I'm gonna do something else for this, and I'm gonna do it soon this month because these are Pride colors, and I was doing this on purpose for Pride Month, just to give something fun to go with the theme. So this coming up week we'll be doing some more stuff for Juneteenth, which is also my daughter's birthday. So keep a lookout for that. I don't know if I'll have them right on the day, but I'm gonna try. So before we get any more distracted, this is a pattern. You can make your own patterns and design them like this online. There are two websites that you can use. I have them both linked in the description. One of them is friendship bracelet, or wait, no, not that one. Hold on, I'm getting it. One of them is Bracelet Book, which is actually where this pattern came from. And then the other one is friendshipbracelets.net. In fact, this one even says right there, braceletbook.com. So you can print these out. You can just look online. You can design them online yourself. But the reason I printed this out was to show literally friendship bracelets are pretty limitless as far as creativity. You just have to know what these symbols mean, and it's no different than learning how to crochet and knit. There are symbols as well as letters and abbreviations to write them out. So if it's going this way, it's a forward stitch. If it's going this way, it's a backward stitch. And if it's going this way, so going down and then that way, it is a backwards forward stitch. And then if it's going this way, then this way, so this one, this is a forward backward stitch. So it's the 4 stitches that we use to make all the bracelets thus far. That's what you do. This is simply showing you the direction in which you go. So forward, it's 2 forward knots. Backwards is 2 backwards knots. This one is backward forward, so you'd go make a backward and then you would do a forward knot. And then for down here, it would be making a forward knot and then a backward knot. They do, I'm gonna show you this screen too in a second to kind of let you see what it looks like. But it literally has what you're seeing right here. The only difference is cut off up here is these are lettered, and that's just to kind of help give some. Oh, it's down here though. Didn't even notice that. It's down here. And that's the letter for the color. So I'll be looking at this pattern when I make this bracelet. And what's great is you can easily on your own or on the website find different color variations or change it up yourself. So I'm going to pause real quick, and then I'm going to flip over to my screen to show you guys what this website looks like. All right, here we are. So like I said, it's just like that, and then it'll give you similar patterns down here to look through. They are named, numbered, so up here is that one. I'll actually give a direct link to this pattern. I like all these others up here too, so I'm going to do some of those. But for the initial tutorial, it will be this. because it's June and I wanted to do that, and it's fun colors, and I know my daughter will love this too. But I'll give the direct link to this particular pattern on the tutorial. And but for this, my brain is having a moment. For this video, there we go. I'm just gonna do the generic websites. I'm gonna give you a couple so that way you have ones that you can go to and look at and check out, because some of them will have what you want, some of them won't. Like there's one that has like an image of chickens going across, and I'm going to be using that one point, but it's like 19 strings that I need, so it's a bigger one, and it's going to take some time, so I don't know how quick that video will come out, but it will be there. So I just want to show you, this was the next step we were going to be doing. I haven't got that far yet. I am so sorry. You have yarn and everything else right here, because I just kind of put this here to be really quick, but this was the next step for us with stuff, is to do some fun, more complicated bracelets. This is one of several that I have planned. I want to do one with waves too. I just haven't got that far yet, so look forward to those. They are coming as quick as I can pump them out. And I do have a rainbow themed coffee sleeve coming out this week too, so keep an eye out on that if you're crocheting, because that will also be a thing. And yes, so if you're making friendship bracelets and you're stuck, go to these websites. They will give you tons and tons of ideas, and they will help probably on some of the more complicated bracelets make it easier. There is one that I did, hold on, let me grab it, it's right here. So I was having a hard time with all the different tutorials for the wave bracelet, until I just went and found it on one of these websites and printed off these types of instructions, and then went across, because how some people do it, they do one of the colors in a clump, and then they do the other one, and they go and work their way down. And for whatever reason, my brain wasn't processing it, so I was doing this straight across like a typewriter method, and it worked just fine for me. So I will be showing that as an option here in case anyone else like me has a problem with their brain wanting to do, I can't remember the technique's name. If I will go find a video and see if I can't find it so I can like reference to it in the video, but it's where they kind of start in the middle sometimes, or on this side. They don't start always at the left and work over. They kind of go all over to make it work, and it works, and for them, and looks great, but for me it just doesn't. So I use these and it works. So keep an eye out, these will be coming. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Like I said, the links are going to be down in the description, so look at those, so that way you can go check these out and make some cool bracelets. Let me see what you make.